Okay, so $400. I want to say Catherine. Yep, it is a Catherine collection. Look at this. Oh, it's a nutcracker. That's really cool, but look at the detail. Let me get in closer. And look at the wheels. That is so cool. Oh, now you just need a guy in there. And on top, really, really neat. And 350. Look at this guy. He has an ornament. The big feet. Now, I believe only the small one was about like 200. No, 100.
Yeah, he was 50. The little bitty one was 50.
Look at him. And there's another version with glasses, but here's another Catherine. I want to say this is Catherine. The swan and her dress. A lot of detail in the dress, actually. I don't see a... Yep. She's 250 by Catherine.
You see a swan with fingers.
Yeah, there's her hands. And then him with glasses. He's 300.
Well, there's two different Santa Clauses too.
Yep, this one has blue. This one over here has blue. 250. It is by Catherine.
It's like a China pattern.
And this one, he's like an old-fashioned face.
I like that one.
It's 250. And his hand.
With the decorated boots, he's like a classic Santa.
Yeah.
Instead of 8.
Really interesting. And the gingerbread, you know, it's just 150. Okay, have we seen this guy? He is 20 with the rocking horse. And then all these Santas, so they're filled in with Santas right now. And this location, we do got a moose. Moose? Deer?
I think that's a reindeer.
Reindeer?
Yeah.
15.
Might be a moose. I think you'd be right.
Yeah,
We'll call it
tons
a
of
moose.
Santa.
We'll say it's a moose. It's a
The
moose.
one with the pajamas. Snowman. The pink. Okay, here's one like the cookie. Look at the cookie one. Oh, he's chipped. You gotta find one not chipped. 15. And you know what? I believe there might be a Santa in the back. So he... Oh, nope. Just another snowman. That was Santa. 25 for the cookie. And more gingerbread. And felt ornaments. Oh, Santa in the boombox. Donut. Okay, if you like ornaments like this, you gotta go to World Market. I did do a video on World Market. I do need to go back. So hopefully they added more. They got taxi too. Okay, look at this guy with his glasses. Very, very fancy. He is $500. Look at his outfit. Oh my gosh. It's like a nice gem.
Comes with a stand too.
Yep, he does come with a stand. A little bell here.
Oh, and they're real bells. That's cool.
They jingle.
Usually they don't have the ringer.
He's 500. I don't want to open it. 47 of 75. 47 of 75. So, in one video, I did share the deer. 400. They also have it in silver. I feel like the silver one is smaller.
It is, yeah.
300. So 300. The larger one's 4. Gosh. 15. It's just foam. Decorative foam for 15. And you have a knitted tree. Let's see here on the knitted tree. These are 10. $10. A nutcracker. $25 on the tree. So pretty. Trying to find a price for him. They have a large gingerbread tree. And look at the large guy in the back. He is a $200 on the nutcracker. And that tree goes all the way down, the gingerbread, all the way down. I'm not gonna be able,
how narrow it gets it down.
yeah, I'm not gonna be able to tell you. No. You know what? How much is that? Please tell me right here. Oh, nope. I was gonna say this big guy right here.
Oh yeah, maybe like.
He is $300. Does it light up? Yeah. Turn it off? Yeah. There we go. Okay, that one's by Martha for $70. Gingerbread guy, deers, cowboy, $20. Cute gingerbread. There's a blinged out angel I want to get to. Right here. It's a candle holder. Really heavy. $29.99. I could see it for being $29.99. It is top heavy. Oh my gosh. Look at this little bird.
I just saw him.
That's really cute. He's 8. So we had this little bird here. Let me pan in. Isn't he adorable? And there's another one right here. Oh, you put that back.
Oh,
I was trying to get him out. It's right here. He's in green.
You bring him up there.
It goes. This one's 20. More of the ornaments, Santas. $15. They have one very similar in TJ Maxx, but no foil. No silver foil on it. Oh, there's a pink one. By the bear. He's adorable. Oh, the glass one. $17. Just like the same deer. Nutcrackers. Tons of plushies. They have so many here. Oh. $12.99.
Yeah, I need some trees like that.
These are $17. Okay, we have a Catherine ornament. This one is $100. These are $17, silver and gold. We used to have these. Did you have the candles?
I never had the candles, but I had the bubblers, the bubbling lights.
Mr. and Mrs. Okay, if you're getting married. $25. Another hot air balloon with Santa. You can if you want. Yay! So they have the bell and the ornament. Is that a Catherine?
Yeah, it's a Catherine'S
150.
tree.
There we
Nice
go.
and heavy.
It is heavy. Get an arm workout in. And the deers, a 15 sitting, and the glass trees. There's another one for 130. That one's a Catherine. Here's the base on this one. And you got the bow. Okay, this guy's cute. He's $5.99. And 15. Oh my gosh. 15. Merry and Bright. $17. Sure they don't fall.
You know my name's never on his list. I always look at whoever puts it. Anybody see their name on here?
Joyce, Tara, Tessa, Danielle, Brooke, Melinda. Is that Melinda?
Yeah.
Huh.
I only met one Melinda.
And then more ornaments. These are really nice. They're glass. This one's 17.
You know how much that thing is?
Ah, this one's new. Oh no, see? Santa. And down. They have so much things that just fall over. This right here is new.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
It's a Catherine collection. 200, yeah. Let me pan out.
That crystal one next, that's expensive.
How much is this one?
150.
150. Does it make music?
The lights out. That's pretty when the lights out.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it doesn't look like 100.
This is Martha Stewart lightweight. 17. Just painted. Make sure I put that back. It's that angel again. And then 80 bucks. Oh, is this heavy? Only have one hand. One hand. There is a Catherine tree. Oh, I know.
Let me see.
This one's 80.
Oh, that's a huge one. That's bigger than the others. I like that one better too.
80. And then this is by Christian. We've seen her.
Oh, that's-
She does light up. They're 15. These are heavy. These are by Bella Lux. And they're 15. More snowman, more Santa, more bears, more Nutcracker. That one is different. Is that glass? It's a candle holder. It's an angel.
Solid.
15. It's coated glass. 15.
You never really pick.
15. And with the green and red, he's 250. So here's the one in the green, 250.
I like this one.
I did. Oh, you do?
Oh, he looks closer to the one.
Oh, look at the bears. Those are cute. Okay, we have the gnome with the sack. And look at this doggy. It's a bottle holder for $29.99. And it just goes on her antlers. Okay. The Grinch. Look at him. It's $5.99. And his bowls are $5 for the Grinch bowls. There's a salt and pepper shaker. It's like a mini house cookie jar. $40. And look at this teapot. And 40 for this. Okay. Oh my gosh. It just kind of looks like a Campbell soup snowman.
Oh, yeah.
He's cute. He's cute. He's 15. Okay, it was like a little boot. Tree Farm, $5.99. Ho ho ho. Stitch. I like this Nutcracker one.
I think Grinch ones are cool.
Tons of Grinch. Did you know there was a Grinch Halloween? I did not know. I never seen it in my
Me
life.
either. I learned about it like the other day.
Doggy, Kate Spade, 15. Polka dot, Nutcracker. Gingerbread. And a snow globe, a little crystal guy. Doesn't that look like a hat? But I think it's like one of those, well, it's $12.99 for him. So I have a deer. Or moose. You want a crystal moose? 15. Okay, they always bring out like really cute ones in this glass area. The angel.